Hi guys, Correspondent also known as ABM. Welcome back to another video. This is an extra video that I'm working on right now for you guys. And this one is an electric exotic drag race with the Pininfarina Battista and the Rimac Nevera. Now before I get to that, let me tell you guys something. And this is the 13th video with me, bad luck number. Oh here. That's why I just heard a race which coming out next will be the 14th and final video. So yeah, I am gonna do end of the day with a bad luck number. You guys know what I mean on that one. Anyway, here we go. Rimac Nevera will take the win there. Well, I think for this one. Oh yeah, quick fact for you guys. The Rimac Nevera has something at 258 miles per hour. It's a hypercar, and the Pininfarina Battista top speed is 222 miles per hour. A supercar. So yeah, very big difference between the two. Alright guys, I'll see you all in my next tournament of champions. See you all on that one. Later.